Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a charged phone, active data or Wi-Fi, and a paid or trial VPN account. Open the App Store or Google Play, search the provider, and install the official app. Avoid clones. Once installed, open the app and grant required permissions such as VPN configuration and network access. This allows the app to route traffic safely. Make sure to sign in with your account and enable auto-renew only if you want continuous protection. Also check for provider reputation and updated privacy policy before logging in. You now select a server and protocol. Tap the server list, pick a nearby server for speed or a specific country for access. Once chosen, select a protocol, WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility. Make sure to enable DNS leak protection and the kill switch in settings. These prevent data leaks if the VPN drops. If you need apps to bypass the VPN, configure split tunneling. After settings are adjusted, connect. You should see a persistent VPN icon and a confirmed secure status. Finish by verifying your IP and location. Open a quick IP check in the browser to confirm the VPN shows the chosen country. Once done, enable app startup or connect on Wi-Fi rules so protection is automatic. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for the VPN app, otherwise background disconnects happen. If the VPN fails to connect, try switching servers, toggling protocol, or rebooting your device. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear the app cache and reauthorize the VPN profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.